Hello guys, today I wanted to show you how I weekly clean my microwave using my natural product, white vinegar. So I'll be using my white vinegar, which I pour it here, half a cup of white vinegar, half a cup of water. And I like to also use fresh lemon just to give it a nice smell afterwards. So I'll squeeze that in here. And I just like to leave the whole thing in there. And put it inside. I'll put that in for 5 minutes. Sorry, got it wrong. So yes, leave it for 5 minutes, and the another thing you will need as well is a cloth just to wipe it afterwards all around. So yes, so now it's all ready. As you can see, the steam, oh my gosh, smells lovely, smells lovely, awesome. So I'm just going to use my cloth and wipe it all. And yes, now it's all ready to be used, cleaned. It's all clean, as you can see. It's all clean inside. Beautiful. So you won't need to use a spray and wipe it all off. This does it all. It takes off all the smells, everything, all the dirt. It removes it. Really nice. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you next time.